Hello, my name is Erin Badaracco, owner of BBG Bash Guards and inventor of the Badaracco car leaf spring mountain bike suspension. I am going to demonstrate the suspension working so you can see it working. It says inherent sag with this type of suspension. So when you stand on it, it sags a little bit. And you jump on it, works great. Boing, boing, boing. See how slow it returns? It cannot return because there's so much torque in the suspension. On this suspension, the actual rearward path on this is about an inch rearward movement for the majority of this compression with zero pedal feedback. This is my cross country model at 160 millimeters of travel. The axle path on this suspension goes about 3/4 of an inch backwards to the majority of the travel with zero pedal feedback. When you sit on it, you get a little sag. It has inherent sag like that. It's extremely sensitive. All you gotta do is push down on it just a little bit and it moves instantly. It does not compromise with big hits or small hits. It's a progressive suspension.